IUPAC nomenclature. IUPAC is International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. There are millions of compounds in organic chemistry. We name those compounds with the help of IUPAC nomenclature. It consists of prefix, word root and suffix. Prefix means before the name. Suffix means after the name. Prefix are secondary prefix and primary prefix. So we use secondary prefix before the primary prefix. So secondary prefix is tells about the second grade functional groups which are known as substituents. They are halogens. Halogens are fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. So halogens we've written as halo. Next alkyl group. Alkyl group we've written as alkyl. For alkoxy group we've written as alkoxy. Coming to primary prefix is used for cyclic compounds, that means cyclocompound. If cyclic compound is present, then we use primary prefix. If cyclic compound is absent, then we leave it off. Next, coming to word root. Word root is tells about the number of carbon atoms in the parent chain. If one carbon atom is present, then we use meth, 2 eth, 3 prop, 4 but, 5 pent, 6 hex, 7 hept, 8 oct, 9 non, 10 dec, 11 dec, 12 dodec. Next, coming to suffix. Suffix are primary suffix and secondary suffix. Primary suffix is tells about the type of bond. So if a single bond is present between the carbon-carbon bond, then we use ane. Double bond is present between carbon-carbon bond, then we use ene. Triple bond is present between the carbon-carbon bond, then we use ine. That means it tells about the saturated or unsaturated. Next, coming to secondary suffix. Secondary suffix is tells about the functional group with the particular term. For alcohols, in suffix we use ol-al. For aldehydes we use al-al. For ketones, one. Carboxylic acid, oic acid. Take one example. In this compound, chlorine is present, so it is a substituent. So first we write what chloro, then we write here this is a cyclic compound, then we write cyclo. How many carbons? 4 carbons means but. Single bond means a, then we write chlorocyclobutane. E of primary suffix, that is an, in, ein, is dropped if the secondary suffix is start with a, e, I, o, u or y, e, g. Then we drop this e. For example, take one organic compound. In this, how many carbon atoms are present? 2 carbon atoms. 2 means eth. A single bond means ane. Here what is secondary suffix? Secondary suffix is alcohol, that means all. Drop this e because this secondary suffix is start with o, so then we drop this e, then we write ethanol. So what is the formula? First we have to write secondary prefix, then primary prefix, then word root, then primary suffix and secondary suffix. Rules for nomenclature. First rule is longest chain rule. First you have to select the longest carbon chain, but need not to be a straight, but it may be branched or side chain. In this compound, if you are selecting the chain from this side 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 carbon, if you are selecting the carbon chain from this side 1 2 3 4 5 6 carbon atoms, so longest carbon chain is this is the longest carbon chain. Next, coming to lowest number rule. Substituents receives the lowest number. Substituent means uncountable in the parent chain, that means carbon chain. So this is the substituent in this compound. So if you are giving the number from this side 1 2 3 4 5, so substituent receives the number is 2. If you are giving the number from this side 1 2 3 4 5, so here substituent receives the number is 4. So what is the lowest number? 2 is the lowest number, so this is the correct way. So next rule is lowest sum rule. If the two or more substituents are present in the carbon chain, then we have to select the lowest number. So if you are giving the number from this side 1 2, these are the substituents. Substituents means uncountable in the carbon that means parent chain. So these are the substituents. So if you are giving the number from this side 1 2 3 4 5 6, so substituents are present in second number 2 plus here 5 plus 5. So what is the value? Value is 12. Here if you are giving the number from this side 1 2 3 4 5 6, so substituents are present in fifth position plus 2 plus 2, so value is 9. So what is the lowest number? 9 is the lowest number, so this is the correct way. So giving numbering from this side, this is the correct way. Next, alphabetical order. When two or more different groups are present, then arranged in alphabetical order. Here what are the substituents? Methyl group and ethyl group. So according to lowest number rule, the substituent will receive, here substituent receives the lowest number. So numbering will be given from this side 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. What are the different groups? Methyl group and ethyl group. Alphabetically E is come first, so we have to write first ethyl. Position is 6 ethyl, 2 methyl. How many carbons? 8 carbons, means octane. So number should not be here, number should not be considerable in alphabetical order. Note this point, two numbers should be separated by comma. Numbers and letters should be separated by hyphen. First letter should be in capital. When the same substituents or multiple bonds or functional groups is repeated twice or thrice, then we use di, tri, tetra. But it should not be considerable in alphabetical order. Here methyl group is 2 times repeated, then we use di. So write the name for this compound. In this compound, first you have to select the longest chain. If you are giving the number from this side 1 2 3 carbons, if you are giving number from this side 1 2 3 4, this is the longest chain. So here how many substituents are present? 2 substituents, that means 2 position is 1 2 3 4, 2 comma 2, give hyphen dimethyl. How many carbons? 4 carbons, but A, single bond N. Next rule is, if the two substituents are present in equivalent position, so the lowest number, the lower number given to one coming first in alphabetical order. So in this compound, two groups are present, ethyl group and methyl group. So if you are giving number from this side 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so in third position ethyl group is present. If you are giving number from this side 1 2 3, methyl in third position methyl group is present. So now we have to arrange in alphabetical order. So alphabetically E is come first, so we have to select the carbon chain from this side 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So then we write 3 ethyl, 6 methyl, 8 carbons means oct, single bond means N. So this is the correct way and this is not the correct way. Take some example. Now we will name this organic compound. In this compound, double bond is the functional group, so double bond will receive the lowest number. So we have to given the number from this side 1 2 3 4 5 6. If you are giving the number from this side 1 2 3 4 5 5 carbon atoms, if you are giving number from this side 1 2 3 4 5, so this is the longest chain. Here what are the substituents? Here ethyl group, and this is the methyl group. So now we will write the name for this compound. Here 1 2 in second position ethyl group is present, so we will write 2 ethyl. In fourth position how many 2 methyl groups are present, so we will write dimethyl, 4 comma 4 dimethyl. 6 carbons means hex. Double bond mean ene. In which position? First position 1 ene. Now we will write the name for this compound. Here one functional group is present, so we will give the number. We will give the number to which functional group will receive the lowest number. So if you are giving the number from this side 1 2 3 4 5 6, so this is the substituent. So then we will write in fifth position methyl group is present, 5 methyl, 6 carbon atoms means hex. Triple bond mean in triple bond in which position? Second position, 2 ene. Next we will write the name for this compound. Here what are the substituents? Chloro and bromo. So here substituents, so numbering will be given from 1 2 3 4 5. In substituents are chloro and bromos. Alphabetically B is come first, so we will write first what? 4 bromo, then 1 chloro, 5 carbons means pent, single bond mean N. So we will write the name for this compound. So this is the carbon, this is the parent chain 1 2 3. Here in third position ethyl group is present, two ethyl groups are present, so then we write 3 comma 3 diethyl. 5 how many carbons? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 carbons means pent, double single bond means N. So in this compound, this is the parent chain. Substituents are methyl groups. How many? 2. 2 means di. So in position 2 comma 2 dimethyl. How many carbons? 1 2 3. 3 means single bond mean N.